Hello, Jane Cleland here. And the question is, do I send synopses for books 2 and 3 with a manuscript that I hope will become a series? Probably not. First of all, every manuscript in something that is new, like a potential series, has to sell as a standalone. That's how you would market it. That's how your agent would market it once they take you on. Now, does it make sense for you to put in the query that you think such and such a book has potential as the beginning of a series? Yeah, I would do that for sure. Might the agent come back to you and say, what ideas do you have in mind? At which point it would be really nice to be able to whip off synopses for books 2 and 3. Here's what I have in mind. So they can see the story arc, the full range of what you're thinking about as you catapult the series on its way. So in other words, don't send it in advance, send it upon inquiry, but reference the potential for the series in your query letter. Just keeping in mind that the first book, whether it's going to end up a series or not, has to be completed and it has to sell as a standalone. Best of luck with it.